Some cultures bury their dead, other cultures eat them. This is the Yanomami tribe. Somewhere deep in the Amazon forest, in Brazil and Venezuela, there is a tribe that eats their dead when an enemy tribe kills a member of their tribe. This is what they do. When an enemy tribe kills a member of their tribe, they cremate the body, take the bone, pound the bone into ashes, and then give the ashes to the women to prepare soup and drink the soup. They drink the soup as a form of spiritual fortification, whilst the men prepare themselves for war against the enemy tribe. This is a practice of the Yanomami tribe. Why do they give the ashes to the women to drink? Why are the women the ones to drink the ashes of the dead body? Don't forget to subscribe, follow us, to leave a like or comment on this video. If you found this video educative, to share it with other people who might also benefit from this exposure.
Culture is very unique. Different people have different cultures. Different people have different lifestyle. Different people have different ways of life. This is what makes culture unique. Your cultural standard is not the same as another person's cultural standard.